student from Bengaluru was found hanging from the ceiling of her home.
In a shocking incident reported
Today, a third
from
year
Dayanand
BTech
Thakur
student in
College of
chemical engineering in
Bengaluru.
IIT Bombay has ended his life by consuming
इंजीनियरिंग की
poison.
तैयारी कर रही है एक और छात्रा ने खुदकुशी कर ली है।
राजस्थान के कोटा में इंजीनियरिंग की छात्रा ने खुदकुशी कर ली है। And with this
Failing in exams.
I totally enjoyed my engineering life.
In the 4 years of studying engineering, I would term it as the journey that has transformed me into a better human being.
Although if you are not with your family, you have a different family to be with.
It's about what you want. So don't go for engineering or any kind of opportunities in life just for the obligations.
Like engineering as a subject is very lovely. If you really love that subject, if you're really interested in that, I don't think that subject will kill you.
I see certain students who feel pressurized, like they have to choose science or they have to go for engineering in life, and I don't think it should be done to any student.
What is engineering basically? It's basically a stream where you can find your opportunities. So I don't think that engineering kills, but it's the peer pressure, it's the society.
You don't have to be obliged. Yeah, I know that parents will find it bad or they will be hurt if you don't go according to them, but still, it's your life. You should be able to try to make yourself more open and make your parents understand what you want to do in life.
Well, we have the right to choose everything. We have been taught in good schools, good colleges, so we have the right to choose what we want. We shouldn't be obligated to do something due to societal or parental pressure.
The basic thing is you have to find the purpose of your life. Unless you can't find it, it will be difficult for you. It will be difficult, but it is not impossible.
Every basic decision starts from home. If the parents they support their children like what they want, if they are supportive, the children won't get deviated from their decisions.
In whichever field you are in, opportunities will obviously come to you. It's how your skill set and how you develop your skill set, that is what matters.
If I see my course of life as a person, if I see myself today, then I think engineering is the best thing that happened to me.